Welcome to Edu Play Kids, where learning is fun, safe, and full of imagination.
Whoa! Did you see that? Let's make a plane that really FLIs.
Hi, friends! Today we'll fold your very first paper airplane.
You need one sheet of paper and a flat table. Ready?
3 secrets. Match edges, press creases, gentle hands.
Turn your paper tall, like a giraffe.
Fold in half, edge to edge. Squeeze. Then open.
This is our center line. We'll use it like a road.
Top left corner to the middle. Nice and slow.
Now top right corner to the middle. Match the point. Great! Do the edges kiss the line? If yes, thumbs up.
Fold this edge to the center again, thin and pointy.
Other side the same, match the tip.
Optional, fold the tiny tip down to lock the nose.
Fold the whole plane in half, nose pointing forward.
We'll fold wings now, about 2 finger widths down.
Fold the first wing down to the line. Press, press.
Flip it. Copy the same fold so both wings match.
Are the wings even? If yes, amazing job!
Lift the wings a little. Make a tiny V for smooth flying.
Optional flaps, fold a tiny bit up at the back, just a little.
Gently squeeze the body. No twist, nice and straight.
Check. Sharp nose, even wings, tiny V, neat creases.
Hold here behind the nose. Thumb on top, fingers below.
Throw smooth and level, just a gentle push.
Safety first. No aiming at faces or pets. Clear space. If it dives, bend both tiny flaps up a little. If it stalls, bend the flaps down a tiny bit. Turns left. Lift the right flap just a teeny bit.
Let's try 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You're doing great!
I'm proud of you. Your airplane looks amazing.
Want more fun crafts? Like and follow for the next adventure.
Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe for more adventures!